Nice. A lot of people say, oh, that chef I cook too much chicken, but you know when I cook chicken and when I see it, look at it, it's really so nice and beautiful. And this is just honey oven baked chicken, be honey pan it. Really nice and beautiful, and the chicken come out really lovely. A whole lot of time I heard people say, oh, this a chef cook too much chicken, but to be honest, chicken is the only meat in the world where a lot of people cook the most, and chicken is a #1 dish on my YouTube channel. Everyone can see that I cook a lot of chicken. Every day I cook chicken, every single day. I know a lot of stuff about chicken, and right now this is just honey glazed chicken, honey chicken, and I'll tell you, oven bake is beautiful, really nice. Chicken can never too much. Seriously, guys, if you don't eat meat, you can eat veg. And you know what I mean, for me, I can tell you that chicken is the only meat which everybody eat the most in this whole wide world. So take a good look, and this is some beef chicken in the oven. There's a lot of recipe on the YouTube channel. I'll show you how to bake my oven baked chicken. So you can just click down in the videos and you will see a video. But it's nice. Enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.